I'm going to be working on this afternoon. This is a 71 c-10. This is a project we started before we really started doing these videos, so we're kind of getting in towards the back half of it. But it's set up for the I Did It steering column. It's got the aftermarket hood hinges. We put the decorative firewall plates in. It's set up for vintage air. It's got a 6.2 LS with a 10-speed transmission going in it, so we've had to go in and change the trans tunnel. It's going to have decoded digital gauges, touchscreen radio. We've inlaid the AC vents into the dash. This is a full-blown show truck. The bottom will be just as nice as the top.